guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export your videos and download them on CapCut browser. So once you've finished editing, there's an export button here, so you're just going to select that. You can rename your video. I'm just going to rename it coffee. You can also adjust the resolution, and there is also some advanced settings. Just set mine to 60 frames per second, and I like the MP4 format. And I'm going to select high quality for mine. Then I'm just going to press export and wait for the video to export. It does take longer. The longer the video is, sorry. Okay, my one is still at like 40%, so I'm still waiting for it to go to 100. Once you're done, you can just press the download button, which is right here, and it's going to be saved in your PC. And here's the video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.